Trimethoprim. Trimethoprim, commonly abbreviated as TMP, is portrayed in this picmonic by the tampon character labeled TMP. TMP is a bacteriostatic antibiotic, depicted by the bacteria character with staticky hair. TMP inhibits bacterial dihydrofolate reductase, the red ducts that have two hydroxyl groups. Trimethoprim is often used in combination with sulfamethoxazole, abbreviated SMX, and this combination is illustrated by the tampon character riding the SMX snowmobile. The two drugs cause a sequential inhibition of folate synthesis, the foliage trees being run over by the tampon riding the snowmobile. TMP SMX is used for recurrent urinary tract infections, the inflamed kidneys and bladder. TMP can also be used for Shigella infections, shown by the Shigella character driving the Jeep in Salmonella, the salmon fish. TMP SMX can be applied as prophylactic treatment of pneumocystis jirovecii pneumonia. Here, nude Mona sisters in a Jeep, particularly in patients with HIV whose CD4 counts are below 200. However, use of this antibiotic can cause a decrease in red and white blood cell count, shown by the trees falling on the red and white blood cells. This side effect can be alleviated with administration of leucovorin, illustrated by Luke on a vulture trying to help the red and white blood cells.
This tampon-shaped trimethoprim mam patrols the foliage on a snowmobile looking for poachers. It heard the call of the OH red duck and came to the rescue when a salmon was stolen by these vigilantes. The static charge of a well-placed bacteria sensor lets the tampon know when someone has recently come through these parts. The nude Mona Lisa sisters have already done irreparable damage by trying to escape, smashing through the red and white blood cells in the forest. Shigella is quite the escape artist, driving swiftly through the forest, but Luke on a vulture is coming to rescue the salmon. He'll never let them reach the safety of their kidney and bladder-shaped flaming mountains.